Nikhil, have you ever seen anything like this? I was talking about this to Harshit earlier. We've never seen this World Cup style celebration when any IPL team has won before.
Absolutely, Akshita. I mean, I think you've hit the nail on the head. These are unprecedented scenes. I've never seen anything like this before when it comes to an IPL title. This is actually rivaling what happened when India won the World Cup, whether it was 2007, the T20 World Cup, whether it was the 2011 World Cup, or the very recent 2024 T20 World Cup. I think these are the scenes that I've witnessed. I've been here on the streets of Bengaluru, and what I've been witnessing is unprecedented. Everywhere I go, I only see the RCB red jersey everywhere. What you're seeing right now is the stadium, which seems to be almost 50% packed. But can I be honest? I've walked through the streets to enter the stadium. There are more people that are inside the stadium right now. I beg your pardon, there are more people outside the stadium right now than there are inside. They've actually have had to stop the entry for the time being. They will allow the players, once the players are in, they will probably allow a little bit more people to come in. But the other good news we're getting from here is that the bus parade is about to start any time now from Vidhan Sabha to here. It's only a distance that usually takes anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. But we're expecting about 1 hour long bus journey because the fans that I've seen on the streets won't allow the bus that easy passage. People are going crazy. All I'm hearing is, RCB chants. All I'm hearing is, Sala Cup, not Namde, but Namdu, because they have won the title. These are crazy, crazy scenes. Without doubt, I think the biggest fan following for any IPL team.
Absolutely. So well deserved that we're seeing these images. They've been waiting for a long, long time, and that's why this kind of craze. But from what Nikhil tells us, it's quite crazy out there on the streets of Bengaluru as well. And we've been getting in all of these reports. I understand Sanjana Galrani is also with us. But before I go across to her, just one more quick update from you, Nikhil, on what's expected there at the Chinnaswamy Stadium come 6 p.m. Because, all the politicians are at Vidhan Sabha. This is purely a fan-based event.
I just hope that it's directed to me. But you're right.
Yes.
The politics and the politicians were in Vidhan Sabha. What you can hear or what you can see here is pure fan love. What you're seeing right now is pure fan love. Fans that have turned up for watching their favorite team. How long back? कितनी देर से आप लोग यहाँ पे खड़े थे? कितनी देर से वेट कर रहे थे?
सुबह from morning.
और कल से सोए हो या नहीं? और आज सोगे कि नहीं? आज रात को सोगे कि नहीं? So you heard from the fans there, Akshita. They've said that they've not slept since last night. They're not going to be sleeping tonight because it's going to be one big party here in Bengaluru. The only downside to that is the traffic here, as you know, is infamous in Bangalore. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to travel a distance of 1 kilometer. Today you'll need to double that. Anywhere around the Chinnaswamy Stadium, there is absolutely no space for cars to go because people are crowded. The party outside, might I add, is even bigger and crazier than what we are witnessing inside the stadium. I can see all the stands behind me. As I said, about 60 to 80% is packed to the rafters, but there will be double the amount of people right now outside the stadium waiting for an opportunity for them to open the gates again so that they can come in and enjoy what's about to unfold. Let me also give you an idea of what might happen here. It's going to be about anywhere between 2 to 3 hour long festivities. There will be speeches. Of course, the players are going to take a round of the ground, showcasing the trophy, sharing it with the Bengaluru faithfuls, and there will be some cultural performances. A band is expected to perform, and speeches by the stalwarts. That is Rajat Patidar, the captain. You'll hear from him. Virat Kohli, of course, the brand that is RCB is based on Virat, and you might hear from some other important players of RCB. So that's what is expected to happen here in a few hours from now.
Oh yes, absolutely, Nikhil. And you know, while we are watching you from the studio, but the pictures are doing all the talking, and we can totally imagine what it must be like to be there. Truly historic in every sense of the word. Do stay on because Sanjana Galrani is also joining us on the broadcast. Sanjana, thank you for speaking to India today. It is Kannada pride that is beaming across the country right now, if I could put it like that. But tell me and make this true confession. In your heart, you're celebrating more for RCB or Virat Kohli. What were your thoughts while you were watching the match?
I think both of us, we are celebrating for all of them. It's going to be mean on my part to say just Virat's name. I think we're celebrating for all of them because cricket is a team game, and everybody has put in so much of effort. We were all in tears because this victory is more personal because it's a victory of Karnataka, and we are enjoying it even more than what we enjoyed winning the World Cup. I remember every street is so different kinds of festivals, and but this one festival, all the religion people are celebrating, all the youngsters are celebrating, all the aged people are celebrating. We've just come together as one united Karnataka. Look at the boys there. Just looking at them dance makes you feel like taking a holiday right now and dancing, you know.
Very true, very true. We're all feeling it. In fact,
Absolutely.
I think we're feeling FOMO
Yeah,
that we're not
yeah,
in Bangalore
exactly.
right now. But we'll have to make do by seeing this.
No, but
Anjali.
you know, I can feel the vibes. I can definitely feel the vibes in the studio here. I'm going to go
Look at
back
the
to the
place,
stadium
people
because we
climbing the
really want
trees
to.
get a glance.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I'm a bit worried about that though. You know, I hope everybody stays safe because these are the situations where things can completely turn upside down. We're going to go back into the stadium where Nikhil Naz is there. Nikhil, what's happening there? Security is an issue, of course, but right now the stadium is not completely full. And Sagay, earlier at the fag end of his life, told us that there were people trying to climb over the walls. So, what's the situation inside there right now? Also, VIP security must be activated over there.
That's right. I mean, we're going to go out and then be live with you from right outside the stadium. At the moment, you're right. There are so many people that have really turned up. Why I'm bringing you outside it to give you a glimpse of what it looks like at the moment. I'll just show you some quick visuals of how many fans are waiting in to get inside the stadium. If you see this, fans actually standing, trying to climb in. And if you see till the street, you will only see fans. These are visuals from right outside the stadium and people wanting to get in. Of course, as you mentioned, security is an issue. That's why they were not getting the permission initially to do the open bus parade because it was a short notice. The police here said that they probably cannot organize that. But right outside the stadium, there is also a situation of lathi charge. As you can see right behind me, there are cops that are chasing some fans, some errant fans that are trying to climb the walls of the stadium to get in. So yes, there will be moments where things might get under control. As of now, no major untoward incident has been reported from here, but fans all lining up to getting. How long have you been waiting?
18 years. We waited for 18 years and the cup is home. The cup has come to Bangalore. Easily cup namdu.
Are you hopeful you'll get inside?
Probably yes.
And how long have you been here in the line?
2 hours.
More than 2 hours. Yeah, we've been waiting here. 2 hours they've been waiting with the young girl there as well. Okay, see, you can see the passion of the fans. They're all been lining up here outside the stadium for close to 2 hours, wanting to get in. But they are hopeful they'll get in. It's not a 100% guarantee, but they're hopeful that they'll get a chance to get in. Huh?
RCB! 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 RCB!
कल रात से कितना चिल्ला रहे हो? सर, हाँ कल रात से चिल्ला रहे हो?
बहुत ज़्यादा सर, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है, बहुत खुशी है. I'm so happy.
Have you been partying from last night?
Yeah, sure. 100%. 18 years.
18 years.
18 years! From 18 years. Virat Kohli! Very, very happy song!
So you can hear from the fans right outside. 18-year long wait to lift the trophy, but 2-hour long wait to get inside the stadium. Still not 100% sure whether they'll get inside, but they will definitely try to. Let me show you some more pictures from here within the stadium. Just look at the crowds that you see outside. Just see this, and this is right outside on the street, and see the other side of the road. My camera person will try and show you some pictures. The other side of the road, remember there are two sides here, and there's a partition in the middle between this massive road outside the stadium. Both sides of the road are completely chock-a-block. So those many number of people have turned up to really watch their heroes lifting the trophy. I'm just going to go outside and probably show you a bit more from outside the stadium, try and speak to some more fans. As you can see, there's high security here. A lot of police bandobast is here. And here, see the number of fans that are here. They've had to call in some extra security to ensure that law and order is maintained. But see the number of fans. Just to give you an idea, this is the stadium right behind me. The fans this side, that side. But there are also fans, as I mentioned, this entire street behind us. You will just see fans all waiting to get in. See the excitement. They are not inside. They are not inside
Okay,
the
just
stadium.
images coming
But
in
see
right now. Just
how
stay
much
with
they are
us,
gonna-
Nikhil. First pictures of the team bus that's making its way out of the hotel. I think it'll be headed straight to Vidhan Sauda. So getting a quick update from Nagarjun. It's going to be a tough time for the cops ahead, Naga, to clear that crowd, let the bus go through to the Vidhan Sauda.
Well, that's true, Akshita. The crowd near the hotel also is too much. People are trying to wave at the hotel, wave at the bus right now, and we are at the Vidhan Sauda. Cops are trying to clear the passage also here to make sure at least the bus can enter Vidhan Sauda. It's completely jam-packed as we speak. There are reports of certain people injured also near the stadium. We have to confirm with the police because we are unable to get through the police also. No mobile network is working in the vicinity of the High Court and the stadium and Vidhan Sauda. Hence, the information is also trickling quite slowly. But what we can confirm is the bus would arrive through this gate is what we are told. Gate number 2 inside Vidhan Sauda. We are waiting. We're waiting right here. Let me also show you the security being beefed up as the bus is set to arrive. You can see this is the passage that is cleared up right now. This was full of people as we spoke just 10 minutes back. Right now, the clear passage has been given behind me also. This is the place that would go to the grand steps. This is the aisle corridor towards the grand steps. You can see it's completely cleared off now. The convoy of the CM is on one side. Convoy of the governor is of the one side. The main route will be this. Through Vidhan Sauda they'll enter, and after they enter, they go to the grand steps right away through this crowd so that people don't get to touch the players or go to them, try to get autograph. Because of security concerns, they have completely cordoned off this area. Jammers have been put in place inside Vidhan Sauda as well. But it's been 10 to 15 minutes since the governor and the chief minister were on the stage. Because of the people who have completely blocked all the roads in and around Vidhan Sauda. How do the bus arrive? Bus is a small vehicle to arrive, right? So you need to clear the roads and then make way. That is the fan craze.